Alrighty, let's begin our tutorial for bicep this time. Previously, we have done the arm template hands-on. Similarly, we'll be deploying one storage account using bicep this time. So let's open Cloud Shell, just like previously what we have done. I'll expand this. Now here we go. We are logged in. So first things first, we need to upload our bicep template or the bicep file. Bicep file is on my computer, that is storage.bicep file. Let me show what the structure looks like. So the structure of the bicep, if you look, is quite easy to understand if you look compared to arm template. So it's quite human friendly, I'll say. Here is the storage account name, whatever storage account name you want to give, right? Then the SKU is here previously, right? So let me first upload this bicep storage.bicep file in the Cloud Shell, and then we'll be firing the commands. So first things first, here the difference is that if we look at the commands, we need to first install bicep. Then a second step will be to upload the file, then we'll be deploying. So by default, if we try to do it, it might not recognize. So let us first install the bicep. I'll copy this and fire this in our Cloud Shell bash. So here we go. Let me paste this. I'll hit enter. It says installing bicep CLI and it's done. So this looks good. Now let me upload the bicep file. I'll go to manage file. I'll click on upload. And here we have the storage.bicep. Let's browse this. And the file got successfully uploaded. So now we are good to fire the deploy command. So the deploying command is here. Again, if you note, we need to specify the storage group name where we want to deploy the storage account as mentioned in our storage.bicep file. So let us first frame the command. We need to substitute the storage group name, resource group name. I'll copy this. I'll paste in a notepad. I'll duplicate this tab so that I can find the resource group name. Now let's go to the resource groups. I'll open one of my resource group, and on the top we have the name of our resource group. Let me copy this. This is required. So previously we have deployed this in our arm template. Now let's deploy another for bicep, the same functionality. So I'll substitute the resource group name here. I'll control V paste it. Please make sure there is one space here, right? We need to make the spaces correct. Otherwise we'll face trouble while executing the command. So let me remove one extra space here because one space should be there. So now looks good. Let me copy this and fire the command in the Cloud Shell here. I'll paste this. I'll hit enter. Let's wait for a while. All right, it says running. It's in progress. So shortly we'll be seeing another storage account added here. Currently we have from the previous tutorial. Let's wait till the command gets completed. And there we go. If we look here, it got successfully succeeded. So that being said, our command got success. And the resource group where the storage account should be deployed is this, the resource group name. Let's check it out here. We got the one from the previous tutorial. If I refresh it, there should be technically one created from the bicep. And there we go. The Amit bicep storage account. The file, the name, whatever we have specified in the storage.bicep is now available here. So that's what concludes this tutorial for bicep. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video.